Good morning, student. Today we are going to listen about the most important topic, that is the life sciences. This life science include the number of important topics. There is the great variation in the topics of the life sciences. Most important one of them is the molecular cell biology. It is this topic that has the importance from the school level to up to the NET, SET, JEE and NET also. The subtopic of the cell biology we have taken today is the biomembrane, biological importance of the biomembrane. And in this series, the first set to focus on the phospholipid bilayer. What is the biomembrane? First of all, we see about the what is biomembrane. Particularly, it is the membrane that cover the cell cytoplasm, and all of you know that it is known as the commonly plasma membrane. But here we have to focus mainly on the biomembrane does not only include the term plasma membrane, but it include the also covering of internal cellular organelle. Here we only focusing on the plasma membrane. Here the cover of the cell, it is known as the biomembrane, and this cover isolate the cytoplasm from external environment. External environment, again it include the two terms. One is the extracellular matrix and another one is the another cell neighboring the plasma membrane. So this plasma membrane isolate the cytoplasm from the external environment, but with that it again mediate the interaction between cell and its environment. Means it in collect the information from the external environment, and therefore this plasma membrane act as the sensor. It is sensitive to all activity that going on the external environment and convey the information or message from this activity to the cell cytoplasm or the nucleus. It is called as the cell signaling. So it has the important role again in the cell signaling. One common feature of this plasma membrane, it is the selectively permeable and it is the lipoproteinous in nature. Means it is made up from the lipid and protein. There are the number of theories, and one most popular theory, it is the fluid mosaic model. It also suggested that there is the phospholipid bilayer, and in that layer the proteins are floating. So today we are going to focus on the structure of this phospholipid bilayer. What is the structure of this phospholipid bilayer? The phospholipid bilayer, it is the fundamental structure of membrane, and this structure act as the stable barrier between the two aqueous compound. And bilayer include the word bi, means the two. It suggests that there are the two layer, and the plasma membrane, it is the two dense lines separated by intervening space. These two dense lines act like the railroad track, and it has so the appearance as the railroad track. Now what is the component of this plasma membrane? The major component of the plasma membrane, it is the lipid, and phospholipid bilayer again contain the major and minor phospholipid. There are the four major phospholipids. One is the phosphatidylcholine, phosphatidylethanolamine, phosphatidylserine and sphingomyelin. And fifth one is the minor phospholipid known as the phosphatidylinositol. Now all these phospholipids are arranged in the two leaflets. First of all, we have to see the structure of this phospholipid. There is the common structure. Each phospholipid contains the head group and the tail group. Tail group are made up of the two fatty acid chains. These are the hydrocarbon chain. And outer leaflet and inner leaflet contain the varying proportion of these phospholipids. On the outer leaflet, They are found the phosphatidylcholine and the sphingomyelin, while on the inner leaflet there are the phosphatidylethanolamine and phosphatidylserine, while the phosphatidylinositol also present on the inner leaflet, but it is the minor component, therefore it constitutes the only minor quantity on the inner leaflet. And presence of this phosphatidylinositol and phosphatidylserine in the inner compound play a distinct role. Which is the distinct role? It is the how negative charge maintained on the cytosolic phase. On the inner leaflet they are found the phosphatidylserine and phosphatidylinositol. Both phospholipid has the head group. These head group contain the negatively charged ion, and due to this negatively charged head group, these are present on the inner leaflet. The cytosolic phase has the negative charge. Now I hope that all my dear student, sir and follower of this video would be understood the points that are important concerning the examining. Now you have to watch, share and ready for the next video, that is on the glycolipid and the cholesterol. Thank you. Please subscribe this channel.